Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Settings because that's where Apple manages subscriptions. Tap your name at the top to access Apple ID. This connects billing and subscriptions in one place. Once done, choose Subscriptions. You'll see active and expired items together. This view shows service names, renewal dates, and prices, so you can decide which one to cancel. Make sure to note the next billing date before proceeding, since timing affects refunds and access. Now review the selected subscriptions details to confirm it's the one you want to stop. Look at the renewal date, price, and any introductory offers so you understand what you'll lose or keep. Tap Cancel Subscription. iOS will ask you to confirm, accept that to stop future charges. Once confirmed, the subscription stays active until the current paid period ends. If you see no cancel button, the app uses a third-party billing method. Note that for the next step. Finally, address subscriptions billed outside Apple by logging into the service provider's website or contacting their support. Apple's subscriptions list won't cancel those. If charges still appear after cancellation, check your purchase history for receipts and dates to track what billed you and when. If problems persist, like unexpected renewals, use Report a Problem or contact Apple support with proof. One troubleshooting tip: restart your iPhone and confirm settings shows the canceled status before assuming the subscription remains active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.